I think the South African restaurant industry, we use it as a place to meet people, meet our friends, go out and meet our family. We're lucky that we've got wonderful weather in this country, so our restaurants are meeting places for outdoors and indoors when it's colder, for us to get together. We're also very lucky, I think, in South Africa that we are able to afford really top quality restaurants in terms of food and our local wines that we offer. And if we're talking one of the top and new favourite restaurants in South Africa, I think Old Town Italy are right up there, one of our restaurants. We get to offer all of what we've just mentioned. Big components of Old Town Italy is also that there's a large retail section. So once you've tasted one of our meals and enjoyed the pasta or the pizza or the ice cream, you can buy some to take home with you on your way home, or you can just pop in, if you don't feel like coming to the restaurant, pop in, buy some of the food that we make in store and take it home, either to prepare yourself or just to, we even offer ready-made dishes like our famous melanzanes and stuff, which you can reheat at home, where our chef will take you through the basics. We've also got wonderful evenings where you can dine and wine evenings, where you can come and taste the food with wine pairing. And we'll often get experts from the wine estates in to explain the wines and why they go so well with the food. We also offer our very popular cake making days, where we get cake making experts to come in and you get to learn how to bake a cake, ice a cake, decorate a cake, showing people and sharing our love of food and all things Italian with our customers.